Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. In city creation, basically we are discussing one of the topic that is India account. In India account, basically we are discussing one topic that is SBI account, Amazon account, and last is after 2 days the earthquake is going to come. So that is the topic basically which is ongoing. So one of the person told that we reached up to what basically? We reached up to lava basically. That Mumbai told that basically, Sunil, basically we are not going to give you job. Why basically they have not given the job? Because there was reason basically behind that basically. So reason was what? When the lava was created and when the thousand floor building basically was getting created and got created, that time basically in lava basically Sunil Nair should get money. That data was not there basically, and this type of data is created already, and on the base of that thousand floor building is also created. So one of the business advisor basically, that is a business group basically, he told that basically this was the reason behind that basically. So one of the person told that what is the solution of this basically, because land is already created. Then one person told that what would be the solution basically. Few people told that entire Mumbai basically has to end. Few people told that basically if we can modify that lava data. Few people basically told that instead of changing everything, lots of big changes will happen. Instead of that, basically we will not give job to Sunil only. Basically, that will be cheaper. Basically, one of the person told that also. Basically. Few people told that basically we will try to adjust basically, and in report basically we just have to give that basically we had tried, but we had not got the job. So indirectly basically we will say that basically yes basically we had tried, and we had not able to get give the job to Sunil. So there are more than 1 lakh software companies in Mumbai, and there was not, there was not a single chair basically for Sunil Nair basically in Mumbai city basically. That basically is the Bollywood city basically. So one of the person told that yeah, there was not one chair basically. That was very strange basically. So few people told that Bollywood is it that basically the Bollywood is handling the software industry? Then but the lava group, the lava things basically which is created, that Bollywood groups know that basically they gets the lava data where basically the, for example currently one of the person told that Sunil basically in which area of Mumbai the lava creation process is ongoing, so can you please tell that basically. Then one of the person told that there was this type of question basically why you are asking here basically, because this type of question answer basically nobody might be having, you basically asking this type of question basically. Few people tells that basically Bollywood gives the exact advertising information. Whatever incidents basically happened, that day only basically they do the advertising. So which lava creation is ongoing in the Mumbai city, and that also in Mumbai basically is very big city basically. Sorry, big area basically. Like is the lava basically moving at the Borivali? Is the lava is moving at the Kandivali? Is the lava is moving from the Andheri? Is the lava is moving from the Dadar? Is the lava is moving from the Mumbai Central? Is the lava is moving from the Churchgate? Is the lava is moving from the after Churchgate basically I think after Churchgate basically sea is there basically, sea water is there. So is that basically lava is moving that side basically? Or basically he said that basically from sea water basically the lava is moving from Churchgate. So one of the person told that Mumbai is basically very uh, dramatically designed. Dramatically means one Mumbai is there, another Mumbai is Navi Mumbai, and now basically they created third Mumbai basically. So this is what basically, this is dramatic creation basically. Dramatic means dramatic basically, what we can say else basically. So one of the person, how basically they might be handling this lava creation, yeah, basically. How they might be handling the lava creation basically. Hello, hello, hello. So how they might be handling the lava creation basically. How they might be handling the lava creation basically. That is question actually, because they have created third Mumbai basically. Third Mumbai is also created basically. That is the question basically. So one of the person told that how this is connected with the earthquakes basically. That is also a good question basically. How that is connected with the earthquakes basically. That is good question actually. That is actually good question basically. So one of the person told that basically how to find out here basically. Currently basically where is the lava moving? Because Mumbai is that kind of city where creation always happen. So lava creation basically is always there basically. So currently where is the lava moving? That is the question basically. One of the person to the police department basically might be having that answer. Where is that lava moving? That is Mumbai police department basically. Lots of people say that it might be possible that the Delhi police department basically might be knowing that basically. That lava is moving from here basically. So one of the person to the where is the lava moving here basically. Bollywood group told that basically we basically had heard basically this first time basically that lava is moving under Mumbai city basically, because there is it's very dangerous thing basically. Where is the lava moving in Mumbai city currently? That is the question basically. So one of the Bollywood group told that basically we don't know. Then one of the person told that why you are taking 300 crore, why you are taking 300 crore, 300 crore, why you are taking? If you don't know this answer basically. And government is also basically telling that basically we also don't know where the lava is moving in Mumbai. So that is question basically. That where is lava moving? Lava कहाँ घूम रहा है? This was in Hindi basically. So we will take few languages basically. Just a minute.
Where is lava moving?
Where is lava moving basically? That is the question basically.
Where is lava moving? Where is lava moving? લાવા ક્યાં ફરે છે?
Lava क्या फरेश है? This was in Gujarati. Now take in Hindi. Because I am in Gujarat, so basically I am discussing in Gujarat basically.
लावा कहाँ बढ़ रहा है?
लावा कहाँ बढ़ रहा है?
Où se déplace la lave?
This is in France.
Où se déplace la lave?
Куда движется лава?
This was in Russia basically. See basically.
Куда движется лава? Куда движется лава?
So Russian
Куда
group
движется
also
лава?
asked the question basically, Mumbai, where is your lava moving at the downside basically of where basically you all are staying, where thousand floor buildings are moving, where currently BJP is moving, where basically Sunil R. Nair basically has not got the job. That BJP party basically is ruling Mumbai. So where is the lava moving basically?
Куда движется лава? Куда движется лава?
Où se déplace la lave? 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 Où se déplace la lave?
So this was in France. Now see in Arabic basically.
حيث تتحرك الحمم البركانية حيث تتحرك الحمم البركانية حيث تتحرك الحمم البركانية حيث تتحرك الحمم البركانية حيث تتحرك الحمم البركانية
ലാവ എവിടെയാണ് നീങ്ങുന്നത്?
Lava എവിടെയാണ് നീങ്ങുന്നേ? Now see in Tamil basically.
எரிமலை குழம்பு எங்கே நகர்கிறது எரிமலை குழம்பு எங்கே நகர்கிறது எரிமலை குழம்பு எங்கே நகர்கிறது
This is in Karnataka.
ಲಾವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ? ಲಾವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ? ಲಾವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ? ಲಾವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ? ಲಾವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ?
This is that Karnataka where basically the Karnataka is facing the crisis of water basically. Where basically Sunil R. Nair basically has applied for the job. Sunil R. Nair went to Eclairex. Sunil R. Nair basically went to Capgemini. Sunil R. Nair basically went to Accenture. Sunil R. Nair went to IBM. Sunil R. Nair basically went to Dell. Sunil R. went to HP. Sunil R. Nair went to Compaq. Sunil R. Nair basically went to BMC. Sunil R. Nair basically went to Infosys. Sunil R. Nair basically went to TCS. Sunil R. Nair basically went to 3i Infotech. Sunil R. basically went to Patni. This all basically company basically Sunil R. went to in Bangalore basically. When basically Sunil R. visited Bangalore city basically. They have not given the job basically. That time basically the BJP group was ruling the Karnataka. And central basically was Congress basically. So that means one of the person told that Congress is also creating problem to you in your life basically. In simple language, wherever basically you find Indian nationality, there basically you are there basically you are getting problem basically. So one of the person told lava is actually what? Lava is actually future creation. Lava is actually what? Future creation. Lava is equal to what? Future creation. And to end the future basically what is the option basically? So few people told that basically end the future means his marriage will basically we will not able to happen. Before for that basically he is not supposed to get the money. That's all basically. Otherwise this basically just see basically.
नसबंदी क्या होता है कि भाई जो पुरुष होता है उसकी फर्टिलिटी खत्म कर दी जाती है। ही कांट हैव किड्स एनी। हाँ, नसबंदी तो मतलब रोए कांप जाए आपकी। भाई आज की डेट में लाइफ बहुत इजी है। तब बच्चे जो थे रिसोर्स माने जाते थे कि घर में 4 बच्चे हैं तो चारों बच्चे खेत में बाप का हाथ बटाएंगे। बिल्कुल। संजय गांधी ने कहा कि भीड़ ज्यादा हो गई है, पॉपुलेशन घटानी पड़ेगी। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को टारगेट दिए जाते हैं कि आज इतनी नसबंदियां होनी कि भाई हरियाणा में आज।
So this is basically another way of finishing the future. So there is one live example basically of this basically. One person basically had done the marriage basically in Mumbai city. He due to some reason basically he got divorced. He basically told that basically I want to do second marriage. He basically went to Pune and basically he got the job. When he basically done the second marriage basically, that time basically he was not able to produce the child basically. When basically he he done the checkup basically, that time doctor told that basically your nasbandi has done basically. So he basically shocked basically that how is that possible here basically, how basically my nasbandi, and the doctor told that date also basically, at this was the date basically, at night time basically nasbandi was done. And he basically told that basically in Mumbai this was done basically, and he basically shifted to Pune basically. So you can just imagine basically which kind of basically the world is basically. This is actually the world basically. So on last day, this will be the going to calculate basically. How many people basically are like this, and how they done the plan basically. On last day, this is going to calculate basically. So be ready for that basically. So another person, how this was done basically in Mumbai, yaar basically. Who has done this in Mumbai? How this plan basically was done without informing anyone basically? How you can do nasbandi basically? Today is Eid basically. How basically you can do nasbandi of without informing any person basically? So that person basically, when he got the information that his nasbandi was done, he was shocked basically, yaar basically. Through laser basically that nasbandi was. This was new technique basically, which was introduced by Chinese group basically. That is the Amin caste. That was the Amin caste basically who introduced this technology basically through that nasbandi basically. So one of the person told that yaar. So Amin caste basically are like this basically. One of the person, he is basically Gujarati basically. So Amin castes are like this basically. They do nasbandi without informing anyone basically. Without informing basically you have done the nasbandi. So another person told that this was actually some personal enemy basically, which was taken basically. So last day, Amin caste is also on last day of world. Amin caste also going to be calculated. Last day of world. So one of the person told that in Mumbai basically Amin लोगों की दादागिरी है basically. What is that basically? That is Amin means Gujarati होगी basically. Because Amin caste is basically belong to Gujarati basically. That's why. Or is it that basically Chinese की दादागिरी है वहाँ पे मुंबई में? Because that laser nasbandi was introduced by Chinese group basically. And that technology was created from Japan basically, where just now basically the earthquake got basically. Lots of people say the technology which was created, that area was finished basically. Lots of people say whether it is correct, that basically need to check basically. कौन बोलता है that basically I don't know. कौन So you can just imagine this is actually what actually, this basically what we can say. This is dadagiri or basically what basically, or some personal enemy basically taken to that particular person by Amin caste. Because Amin caste is responsible for each and every technology in India basically. So you can just imagine basically how world has reached. Without informing basically you are doing the nasbandi of anyone basically. So now basically the situation of world is what? Lava creation in Mumbai basically. So nasbandi has done basically. Now basically we will go to lava creation. And this is real story, basically. You will not believe it, basically. If you want to ask Shiv Sena group, basically, you can ask them, basically. That this type of, basically, first Nasbandi without informing that particular person, this was done, where basically currently that person basically is in Pune. Is it correct or basically is it wrong, basically? So they will say that, basically, yes, basically, it was correct here, basically. This was done by some one of the laser equipment, basically. And that was done by one of the, with the help of one of the software company. So one of the person told, ये मतलब सही है या मतलब गलत है? Because without informing, basically you can do the Nasbandi. That means you finished that particular person's future, basically. And currently, basically, lava creation basically has done, and thousand floor building basically is already created. So that is future, basically. See the Bangalore, basically. Lava creation is done, and basically they are not having the water basically crisis. This is future, basically, of India. So another person told that one people done the one group basically has done the mistake, and the entire India basically is suffering. So one of the person told that Sunil basically that really basically you are telling correct or basically, because he should do the case basically in Supreme Court basically, that how basically you had done the Nasbandi without informing that particular person basically. And Supreme Court will say that basically you don't know basically Congress basically up to what level they have done. So that copy paste basically BJP also done basically, and they have also done started Nasbandi without informing basically. कांग्रेस के राह पे बीजेपी चला. That time basically BJP was ruling in Mumbai city. When this Nasbandi was done without informing that particular person, and this is real story basically. So you can just imagine basically how the world has connected. So you can just imagine how the world has connected. Already this everything is done basically, that's why. So one of the person, now basically what is the situation Sunil basically? Now the situation is, currently where is the lava moving in Mumbai basically? Because lava creation is ongoing basically, you will not believe it basically. The lava creation is on moving. That is the future creation of Mumbai basically is on moving. Future creation of Mumbai basically is on moving basically. So one of the person with the one Vadodara, you are basically in Vadodara, Sunil. You are basically asking to Mumbai. Do you know basically where in Mumbai, where in Vadodara basically, where is the lava moving? That is basically very dangerous question basically. Somebody asked from satellite basically. You are basically telling Mumbai, where is lava moving? Leave Mumbai basically. Because Mumbai, without informing basically that particular guy basically, they had done the Nasbandi with the help of the Amin caste. That is Gujarati caste. They had done the Nasbandi basically. So one of the person बोलता है Amin caste होगी तो दादागिरी बहुत है यार basically. And even basically the government supported Amin caste basically. BJP basically supported Amin caste because Nasbandi was done in Mumbai basically. That means BJP also supported that particular group. That without informing basically how you can do the Nasbandi. So you finished that particular person's future basically. So currently where is the lava moving in Vadodara city? That you tell. That is the future of Vadodara city basically. Where is the lava moving? One of the person told that where is the lava moving in Kerala? Where is the lava moving in Karnataka? Where is the lava moving in Bangalore? Where is the lava moving in Ahmedabad? Where is the lava moving in Mumbai? Where is the lava moving in Pune? Where is the lava moving in Chennai? Where is the lava moving in Odisha? Where is the lava moving in Kolkata? Where is the lava moving in Surat? Where is basically lava moving? Where is lava moving basically? That is the future creation of Hindustan basically. And that is basically done. Currently basically who is ruling the India? That is BJP. And in Gujarat basically who is ruling? That is also BJP. So BJP is creating the future of Gujarat. That is through the lava. And that future is created by one of the lava company. And they are going to generate water also basically. You will not believe basically how the future basically are created basically. So one of the person to that on last day of world, where would be lava moving in Mumbai city? Where would be the lava moving in Vadodara city? Where would be the lava moving in in Ahmedabad? Where would be the lava moving in Surat? Where would be the lava moving in Kerala? Where would be the lava moving in Bangalore? Where would be it moving basically? Because there is no answer basically. Even basically France basically might not be having answer because they are only taking care of the earthquakes. But this is also one of the parameter of earthquakes basically. Because whenever the lava is creating basically, that time basically earthquake happens. And the reason is lava which is moving in certain cities basically. And this keeps on moving. You will not able to believe basically that. You will not able to believe this. You will not able to believe this basically. I am telling you basically. That where is the lava moving in Vadodara city basically? Can anybody give the answer basically? Where is lava moving? Future creation of the India. In India basically if you ask basically how many 100 basically Rohit Sharma has seated, all India basically will give the answer. But if you will ask basically where is the lava moving in India basically, in Vadodara city or basically Gujarat or Vadodara, Valsad, Mumbai city, Surat, wherever basically, nobody can able to give the answer. Because why? Because the future of India is cricket. On the name of cricket basically they will do anything basically. So few people told that basically that Nasbandi was happened basically. That was also basically in that basically cricket group was also basically included there. Cricketer group also basically was there basically of Mumbai basically. So one of the person told the cricketer basically are like that basically. Cricketer मतलब ऐसे they finish the generation only basically. So currently where is the lava moving? You tell basically. Assume that basically today world will end. Just taking as an example, really basically world is not going to end today because lava is moving basically. So assume that basically today after 1 or 2 seconds basically world ended. So where might be lava moving in Mumbai city? That is going to play most important role. Where will be the lava moving in Vadodara city? Where will be the lava moving in Surat? Where will be the lava moving in Delhi? Where will be the lava moving in Bangalore city? So where it would be moving. So you have an answer basically. So one of the person told that there is no answer here. So in next video basically we will say that basically we will be going to see where is lava currently moving in whole all cities basically, in all states basically, in all India. All India means in India basically each and every city basically the lava is moving. So do you have the answer of that? So in next video basically we are going to see that topic.